In section 2, we're going to be reviewing equations of circles. So remember, the equation of a circle in standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where hk is the center and r is the radius. So for our first set of examples, we're given the equation of a circle and we want to identify its center and radius. So x squared plus y squared equals 9. When there is nothing with x and y, the center is at 0, 0. And then our radius is the square root of 9, which is 3. Our second example, x plus 4 squared plus y minus 7 squared equals 4. So our center is the opposite of what's with x and the opposite of what's with y, so negative 4, 7. And then our radius is the square root of 4, which is 2. Last example, x minus 3 squared plus y squared equals 36. So my center is going to be at 3, 0, and the radius, the square root of 36, which is 6. All right, next, we are given the equation of our circle in general form. We want to convert it to standard form, identify our center and radius, and then graph it. So the first step is to move your constant over, which in this case would be to subtract 5, and reorder the left side so all of your x's and y's are together. So we'll have x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 6y equals 3. Now we're going to do completing the square with our x's and our y's. So for our x's, we'll do b divided by 2, so negative 4 divided by 2 squared, which is negative 2 squared, which is 4. We'll do the same thing with our y's, so its b is 6 divided by 2 squared, which is 3 squared, which is 9. So we'll have, in parentheses, x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 equals 3. And if I add 4 and 9 to the left side, I also have to add it to the right side. So when I factor x squared minus 4x plus 4, it's going to factor as x and then whatever b divided by 2 was, which was negative 2 squared, plus y, and then whatever b divided by 2 was, which was positive 3 squared, equals, and then 3 plus 4 plus 9 is 16. So in order to graph my circle, I need to know my center and my radius. So my center is going to be at 2, negative 3, and the radius is going to be the square root of 16, which is 4. So when I graph my circle, find my center, 2, negative 3. And then I'm going to apply my radius. I'm going to go up 4, down 4, right 4, and left 4. And then I'm just going to connect those points to get my circle. So our second example, x squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 2y equals 19. So I don't need to move any constants to the other side because there's no constant on the left. So I'm just going to go straight to reordering it. So x squared plus 8x plus y squared plus 2y equals 19. Now we're going to do our completing the square. So 8 divided by 2 squared is 4 squared, which is 16. And then we'll do 2 divided by 2 squared, which is 1 squared, which is 1. So my left side becomes x squared plus 8x plus 16 plus y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals 19 plus 16 plus 1. I factor my left side, we'll get x plus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 36. So my center is going to be at -4, -1. Radius is the square root of 36, which is 6. My center, -4, -1. I'm going to apply my radius of 6. I'm going to go up 6, down 6, right 6, and left 6. And then connect the 4 points to get the circle.